Hi, we are here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at an 8.5 by 24 white enclosed trailer. This trailer comes with our ATP stone guard along the front and tip of your V-nose. There is a vent at the front and rear portion of your enclosed trailer. This trailer comes with a white screwed exterior as well as our ATP fenders. This trailer does have two 35K axles on 15-inch wheels and rims. Coming along to the rear of our trailer, there is a spring-assisted loading ramp as well as LED brake lights. This trailer comes with 4 tie-down points at the rear and front of the trailer. There is a 12-volt dome light. This trailer does come with 3/4 plywood flooring and 3/8 plywood walls. There is a 36-inch door at the passenger side of your enclosed trailer, as well as a step and a bar lock. There is a spring-assisted loading ramp on this trailer. Coming along to the outside, we have our rear vent, as well as our passenger side door from the outside. Once again, this is an 8.5 by 24 white enclosed trailer. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.